like to thank the Almighty for the talent and the opportunity. And secondly, I'd like to thank the Orlando Pirates family for believing in me and bringing me in the team. What a way to welcome myself in the team. First debut, getting the man of the match, putting the great performance. I think it was a good way for me to say thank you to the Orlando Pirates family. So coming back to the game, it was a great one. So we really fought as a team and we deserved to win because we created chances, but it was unfortunate for us not to score. But we'll take it and plan for the next one.
I think we did really well. I mean, they haven't really had any chances to score in the game. I mean, we defended really well. We played with good intensity, and I think we got a lot to prove this season. You know, I mean, we believe in the process, and it's going well so far. I've just arrived a week ago, but I'm happy to be part of the team. You know, it's a good group of players. Everybody's willing to work for one another, and the camaraderie is very well in the team. Brotherhood is great, and that's what it's all about for me.